everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited to have you with us today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve overnight results with a DIY skin resurfacing treatment. This treatment will help you wake up to smoother, brighter, and more radiant skin. This DIY skin resurfacing treatment is effective because it combines natural ingredients that work synergistically to exfoliate, hydrate, and rejuvenate your skin. Unlike harsh chemical treatments, this gentle formula provides powerful results without irritation, making it suitable for most skin types. I'm confident you'll love the results as much as I do. This treatment has become a staple in my skincare routine, and I hope it will become a part of yours too. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank you all for your incredible support. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions really fuel my passion for creating more content like this. It truly inspires me to keep sharing these beauty secrets with you. So if you enjoy natural skincare tips and DIY beauty hacks, please consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any questions you might have. Your feedback and interaction are what keep this channel going and growing. Now let's get into this fantastic overnight skin resurfacing treatment. Now that you know what to expect and how effective this treatment is, let's move on to the step-by-step process of making it. For this DIY skin resurfacing treatment, you'll need 1 honey, a natural humectant that hydrates and soothes the skin. 2 aloe vera gel, helps to heal and rejuvenate the skin. 3 lemon juice, contains natural acids that help to exfoliate and brighten the skin. 4 baking soda, a gentle exfoliant that helps to remove dead skin cells. 5 green tea, packed with antioxidants, it helps to reduce inflammation and improve skin texture. Preparation. Let's start by preparing our skin resurfacing treatment. Here's what you need to do. 1. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. 2. Add 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 3. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 4. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Add 2 teaspoons of the cooled green tea to the mixture. 5. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. Application. Now let's apply the treatment. Start with a clean, dry face. Using your fingertips or a brush, apply the mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the eye and mouth areas. Gently massage the treatment into your skin using circular motions for about 1-2 minutes. This helps to exfoliate and ensure that the nutrients are absorbed. Now let's talk about what you can expect from this DIY skin resurfacing treatment overnight and why it's so effective. After applying the treatment, you might feel a slight tingling sensation. This is completely normal and a sign that the ingredients are working to exfoliate and rejuvenate your skin. During the night, as you sleep, the honey and aloe vera gel will deeply hydrate and soothe your skin. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture into the skin, keeping it hydrated throughout the night. Aloe vera, known for its healing properties, will help to calm any irritation and promote skin regeneration, exfoliation, and brightening. Meanwhile, the lemon juice and baking soda are working their magic. Lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, helps to lighten dark spots and brighten your complexion. It's also a natural astringent, tightening your skin and reducing the appearance of pores. Baking soda, a mild exfoliant, helps to gently slough off dead skin cells, revealing fresher, smoother skin underneath. Antioxidant boost. The green tea is packed with antioxidants which help to fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. This means it not only improves skin texture, but also aids in preventing signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. Morning after. When you wake up in the morning, you'll notice a visible difference. Your skin should feel smoother, softer, and more hydrated. The overnight treatment helps to reduce any redness and inflammation, giving you a more even skin tone. The gentle exfoliation will leave your skin looking brighter and more radiant. To remove the treatment, simply rinse your face with lukewarm water. You'll feel an immediate difference in your skin's texture and appearance. Follow up with your usual morning skincare routine, and don't forget to apply sunscreen if you'll be heading out, as your skin will be more sensitive to sunlight. Remember, consistency is key, so use this treatment once or twice a week for the best results. And that's it, a simple yet powerful DIY skin resurfacing treatment that you can do overnight. I hope you give this a try and see the amazing results for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with your favorite DIY skincare tips or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay radiant and youthful. Please like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me.